You know what I really miss?
What do you miss?
I miss your food at Stanbuli.
So Stanbuli was a tribute to my cultural heritage. The food is based off meze. For you, how you capture the imagination of Lebanese and Middle Eastern food. For me, it was about capturing the imagination of what Turkish food really was. You know, we just had this, really unique take on Turkish food that I don't think anyone really captured that imagination of Turkish food at that point.
I feel like it wasn't just me who felt it. I mean, everyone in the hospitality industry loved it, and completely well-deserved, because you could feel the love into everything that you put out.
Yeah, absolutely right.
You know what would be really, really cool?
Tell me.
If we bring Stanbuli to NOUR for however many days you want it.
That would be pretty cool, yeah.
Maybe a night in like a few weeks' time.
I mean, a night, I feel like there's a lot of effort for one night.
What do you think? 2 nights? 3 nights?
3 nights. 3 nights is pretty good. We can do 3 nights. I think if we're going to go to all that effort, I think 3 nights is worth it.
Yeah, I'm keen. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. Done. From the 11th to the 13th of August, we're going to host this complete Stanbuli takeover with NOUR for 3 nights, and we can't wait to see you there. Always served with love, spirit.
I mean, I'm not going to have any input on that menu. I'm just going to leave it fully to you.